Hi everyone. In this quick guide, I'll show you 3 simple ways to zoom on Windows 10. These tricks make your screen easier to read and navigate, and they all work perfectly in 2025. The first method is using keyboard shortcuts. Hold down the Control key and press the plus key to zoom in. Control and minus zooms out. And if you ever want to reset, press Control and 0 to return to the default view. The second method is combining the Control key with your mouse wheel. Hold Control and scroll forward to zoom in, or scroll backward to zoom out. This gives you smooth and precise zoom control. The third option is the built-in magnifier tool. Press the Windows key and plus to turn it on. This tool gives you focused zooming on any part of the screen and stays open while you multitask. To close the magnifier, just click the X button at the top of the window. And that's it. You now know 3 easy ways to zoom on Windows 10: keyboard shortcuts, mouse wheel zooming, and the magnifier tool. Try them out and see which one works best for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.